Good morning and welcome to Financial Booklet. I'm your host, bringing you the Sunday financial market update for January 18th, 2026. We have a packed report today covering escalating trade tensions across the Atlantic, significant shifts in corporate treasury strategies involving digital assets, and the latest competitive developments in the artificial intelligence and quantum computing sectors. Let's get straight to the facts. We begin with significant geopolitical friction impacting global markets. Tensions between the United States and Western Europe have intensified regarding the administration's interest in Greenland. Following opposition to the deal from European allies, the U.S. administration has applied a 10% tariff on 8 European countries. In response, officials in Brussels are reportedly preparing what they term a trade bazooka to retaliate against these measures. Amidst this dispute, the European Union has pivoted elsewhere, officially signing a trade deal with the Mercosur bloc of South American nations, bringing a conclusion to negotiations that have spanned a quarter of a century. Moving to corporate news, we are seeing continued integration of digital assets into traditional business treasuries. The popular fast food chain Steak N Shake has announced the addition of $10 million in Bitcoin to its corporate treasury. The company reports that the value of these holdings has already seen an increase shortly after the acquisition. In the banking sector, State Street, a financial institution with $36 billion in assets, is advancing its plans to utilize blockchain technology to modernize legacy financial infrastructure. Meanwhile, in international regulatory news, Belarus has established a new legal framework specifically designed for Bitcoin banks, signaling a shift in regional financial policy. Turning to the technology sector, the race for dominance in artificial intelligence continues. Baidu has released data regarding its ERNIE 5 AI model, with benchmarks suggesting it is outperforming OpenAI's GPT 5.1 in specific mathematical capabilities. In the hardware space, quantum computing remains a focal point. Market watchers are observing the competitive dynamics between IonQ and Rigetti, as both companies vie for leadership in the quantum processing market. Additionally, Lumen Technologies is drawing attention after surging nearly 46% last year, with performance metrics continuing an upward trend into the first weeks of 2026. In the cryptocurrency markets, analysts are tracking price movements for Bitcoin, with technical indicators pointing toward a potential breakout level of $107,000. JPMorgan has released a note regarding the mining sector, indicating an improved outlook for Bitcoin miners in 2026 due to falling hash rates and stabilizing profitability. However, the ecosystem faces internal debates regarding longevity. Solana Labs' CEO has issued statements emphasizing the need for the protocol to adapt aggressively to survive, while the Crypto Council noted that while a Bitcoin reserve is a priority, legal hurdles currently stall the process at the federal level. Finally, looking at market structure, investors are analyzing the divergence between major indices. There is an ongoing comparison between the stability of the equal-weighted S&P 500 funds, such as the RSP, versus the mega-cap growth concentration found in the Nasdaq 100. On the regulatory front, the CEO of Goldman Sachs commented on the Clarity Act, stating that the legislation still has a significant distance to cover before implementation. Meanwhile, the Manhattan District Attorney is urging lawmakers to strengthen enforcement tools regarding digital asset crimes. That wraps up your market briefing for Sunday, January 18th, 2026. We will continue to monitor the developing trade situation in Europe and the market response as trading opens tomorrow. Thank you for watching Financial Booklet. If you found this report helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for daily updates. Have a productive week ahead.